Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by installing the Mobile Preview extension from the Extensions view in Visual Studio Code. After installation, reload the window to activate the extension and add it to your workspace. Open the HTML or web file you want to preview and save any changes before launching Mobile Preview. Use the command palette and type Mobile Preview to launch the emulator, or click the extension icon in the activity bar. Select a device preset like 375x812 for iPhone X, or enter a custom size manually for precise testing. Configure custom devices in the extension settings to match your target screens and resolutions. Click the Settings gear and choose Mobile Preview Settings to add a device name, width, and height in pixels. Enable device pixel ratio adjustments and toggle user agent overrides for more accurate rendering of mobile-specific content. You can also set a default device preset to open automatically for quick testing in the current workspace. Save your settings, then reopen Mobile Preview to confirm that the configured devices appear in the device selector list. Enable live reload so file saves immediately update the Mobile Preview window and speed testing cycles. Toggle the live reload option in the top bar of the preview to ensure HTML, CSS, and JS changes apply without manual refreshes. Use inspect mode to select elements inside the preview and view computed styles, layout, and applied CSS rules. Run your site on localhost or provide a remote URL to the preview to test real server behavior. Finally, use the emulator controls to simulate touch events.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.